Ramzan Mubarak, everyone! It is the holy month of Ramadan. This is when India and our city Mumbai gets together to celebrate over some great food. Each year during this holy month of Ramzan, Muslims fast during the day and break their fast after sunset with a meal called as iftar. This also turns out to be the best times for the foodies out there, after sunset, of course. Eid is closing in and Ramzan is almost over. But worry not, because we are going to help you with the best places in Mumbai to tickle your taste buds before it's too late. Muhammad Ali Road. Obviously, it is the most visited place during Ramzan. It is safe to say that it's world famous. Especially during this time, your Facebook wall is going to be filled up with check-ins of Muhammad Ali Road. Everyone who's anyone is out there to try out the iftari delicacies. After sunset, the place beams up with excitement, festive colors, and joy every evening. The best part about this place, personally for me, is everyone from every sect, religion, race, country, creed, etc., is seen here enjoying the holy month of Ramzan in true Mumbai Indian spirit and Bharatiya style of unity and diversity. That's why we love our India, right? Because Anekta mein Ekta. To get the real taste of iftar experience, head to Muhammad Ali Road in South Mumbai. It's a one-stop place for all your Ramadan cravings. Bori Mohalla. You get the best food out here during Ramzan, and it is nowhere as crowded as the more iconic Muhammad Ali Road. Now, why the locals love it? In Bori Mohalla, communal tables are set up after sunset on the streets where the crowds feast together on offal and other meaty delicacies till well past until midnight, moving from table to table. And why you should visit it? For the quality and variety it offers. Visit to sample the high quality but inexpensive Muslim delicacies and to experience a unique public celebration of the community. Surati Barahandi, a place that represents one of the fast disappearing arts of Mumbai, Barahandi cuisine, which you get at very few places like in Bori Mohalla. It is an 80-year-old shop, and what you get is Barahandi, which are dishes simmered separately in 12 separate vessels for about 8 hours. Meats are cooked separately, and then there is wheat and lentil broth which are cooked together, and then all are mixed together, and what you get is the most tender, flavoursome and beautiful experiences of meat in Mumbai. Taj Ice Cream. It offers you the perfect sweet finale to an iftar binge. They offer you the usual flavors of strawberry and mango hand-churned ice creams, and they also have original flavors to offer like the Sitafal or custard apple ice cream. It is located at Syed Abu Muhammad Road in Bindi Bazaar, although you will find many places with similar names in Mumbai. The Indian Hotel, a 50-year-old shop in Bori Mohalla, probably has the best exponents of tawa cooking in Mumbai. It is famous for its chicken roll that is also called Karachi roll, which has a very Indian style or a very subcontinental style of cooking. The beda rotis here are very similar to the Mughlai parathas in Kolkata or the murtabaks from Malaysia and Singapore. It is also called Burma roti here as it comes from Burma. And then there is keema naan, which is the Mumbai version of a burger. So there are some great exponents of subcontinental cooking out there, as we have rolls that are Karachi style of cooking, we have parathas that are Burma style of cooking. In fact, the tawa cooking style itself is Burma style of cooking, which means it's Indian. Well, it was all India once, remember? And it's called Myanmar now. Well, the scrumptious food at the Indian hotel will just melt in your mouth. Noor Mohammadi Hotel. Offering mouth-watering delicacies from the north of the border, this place is a joy for the meat eaters. It is often visited by the foodies, including tabla maestro Zakir Hussain himself. We recommend their famous Shami kebabs and Nalli Nihari. One of their most famous dishes is the Sanju Baba chicken. Yes, you got that right. It is named after the actor Sanjay Dutt himself. He is a regular customer here and he gifted his recipe to the hotel. Jafar Bhai's Delhi Darbar. This eatery that is open until 2 am serves Ramadan specials like Halim. The place is most famous for its award-winning biryanis. The mutton biryani here is the most sought-after items in their menu. The place is located opposite St. Michael's Church at Mahim West. Nawab Bhai Kebab Wala. This small food stall tucked away near Jogeshwari station serves yummy varieties of kebab, grilled and marinated over charcoal and parathas. Definitely worth trying are their Sikh kebabs that are served with mint chutney and tawa parathas. Leaven bread cooked over a griddle. It's located on SV Road near Jogeshwari Station. Food Inn at Lokhandwala. It is one of the oldest food chains in Mumbai. There are many branches of Foodin, and there is one at Kolaba as well. Foodin has great food throughout the year and many varieties and elaborate exhibits, especially during Ramzan. And if you're lucky enough, when you're visiting the Foodin at Lokhandwala, you might just run into your favorite celebrity. Yes, they all live here and they act like common men over here and are seen roaming here almost every day. So, what are you waiting for? Go there, relish and hog on some great food already, and while you're at it, you might just run into your favorite star. Salman Pulao or Salman Biryani, also called as Salman's. It is a relatively new joint and a very small shop in Bori Mohalla. What you get here is a very unique dish which is very difficult to get in Mumbai. It is called the Delhi Pulao and which is very similar to the biryani you get in Lucknow. It is run by a man from Bulandshahr in UP near Delhi. It takes about half an hour to cook. In his biryani, you will taste the flavors yet won't see the masalas in abundance like in other Mumbai joints. This is because they are unique style of cooking that is inherited by his father, which has come to us from Azamgarh via Jama Masjid in Delhi all the way to our own Mumbai. The lovely tender buff meat and chicken in beautiful flavors. The taste hits you slowly. The best part here, you have to eat with your fingers. There are no knives, spoons, and forks here. So you have to try this Indian food the Indian way, that is with your own hands.